happy.
Yeah, because his dad is here.
Because his dad is here.
Yeah.
Is he your first child?
Yeah, it's my first one.
Yeah. And you got to have a boy, huh?
Yeah.
Can you scan the vitamin K too?
I have that one to scan, so I just need a box.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. This is a vitamin K infusion, okay? And blood clotting.
Okay.
Go ahead.